Hi everyone, today I wanted to talk about a case that involves a school liability case, and this is going to be a part of a few videos that I want to do regarding schools and their liability when their students get hurt. So this is a case I read in the California Post, which is a new newspaper that's coming out, just came out, kind of like New York Post but California edition. And this is a case I kind of already knew, but I've been following it for a while. It's the case of Katie Meyer. So what happened with Katie Meyer was in 2022, she was a goalkeeper at Stanford University, a very good goalkeeper, even won the national title with Stanford. What had happened was that one of her teammates allegedly was assaulted sexually by a Stanford football player. She sees this football player on campus and she has a hot cup of coffee in her hand. And angrily, she threw the coffee apparently on him, and he did suffer some burns, I think to his body area. No criminal charges were filed against Katie, but the school did find out about this and they initiated disciplinary hearings against her. Mind you, she's already a senior at Stanford, is going to be graduating and hopes to attend Stanford Law School that same year in the fall. And they sent her an email February 28th, the school, saying, hey, we're going to have some disciplinary hearings against you. You need to attend them. And we just want to let you know right now that there's a chance you could be expelled and dismissed from our school. And Katie gets really upset, so upset to the point that night that they send it, she kills herself. And didn't tell her parents, didn't tell anyone. They just find her dead in her dorm after this. And well, Stanford settled the case. They settled the case and they acknowledged that just pressuring Katie like that, threatening expulsion, was really out of line, and that they're going to do better. Not only do they pay Katie's parents money, undisclosed amount, they're also going to make changes so that when they do initiate disciplinary proceedings against students, that they have proper resources to protect them, mental health wise, and also legally to be represented in these proceedings. And they also are going to launch an award called the Katie Meyer Leadership Award at Stanford, awarded to student athletes. It's a really sad case. It's a personal case because she was from Agora Hills and I'm from Oxnard. So a local young woman and my age too, right? We were about the same age. She would have been probably 25 this year, which is the age I am. And really sad. If you have any questions, please let me know.